Hi kids. Kids, alphabets A, B, C, D, E. Colors: red color, green color, violet color, pink color, orange color, pink color, black color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color and brown color. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. Kids, read again. A for apple. A for alligator. A for ant. B for bat. B for ball. B for butterfly. C for cycle. C for car. C for camera. D for duck. D for dog. D for door. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for eagle. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.